pie chart the percentage is given or the degrees are given. Degrees means about a point, total degree is 360, and in percentages total percentage is 100. Okay, always remember this. Okay, let's come to the problems. If the total income of the family is 25,000, means total income, this full 100% is 25%, 25,000, then the amount spent on rent and food is rent and food. Here 14% plus 45%, add them. Here rent plus food equals to 14 plus 45, that is 59%, right? So you have to find the amount now. If 100% equals to 25,000, 59% equals to, so 59 upon 100 into 25,000. It's a direct proportion. Okay. What is direct and inverse? I have explained it in my other earlier videos also, and also you have studied it in 7th standard. Okay. So 59 upon 100 into 25,000. Solve this. 59 into 250. So rupees 14,750 is spent on food and rent together. Next, what is the ratio of the expenses on education to that of the expenses on food? So expenses on education, E, will only write the first alphabets, E to F, education to food. So education is 15% upon food is 45%. Solve this. It is 1 by 3. Here you don't want the exact amount, you want the ratio. So ratio is this much only, 1 by 3. So that is the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for the same. Seeing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months, and you will learn the same within 3 months. Remember, tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 are useful for you throughout your lifetime or in various competitive exams. So do it with discipline. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Baba plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.